This triangle has side lengths 4, 5, and 6. As we know that, we had to find out, let's find out the side lengths of AD and BD. Also, side note, BD is the angle bisector of angle CBA. Well, first of all, since we just covered that as angle bisector, let's use the angle bisector formula. So CD divided by AD equals BC divided by AB. Well, we already know the lengths of BC and AB, so let's put that in. BC is 4, oopsie, darn it, 4 divided by 5. Yep. We also know that CD plus AD is equal to AC because they're all on one line, which is AC. AC, we already know, is 6. As you can see, the only variables in these two equations are CD and AD, so that means we can find both of them. After finding out, they are as followed. CD is equal to 8 divided by 3, and AD is 10 divided by 3. There we go. Now, let's move on to another theorem, Stewart theorem. A man and his dad put a bomb in a sink. In this triangle, the variables are as followed for the triangle. A is AB, B is BC, C is AB, M is CD, and AD is N, and D is BD. Now that we know that, we can put all the variables and the integral values of them into the theorem. That leaves us with 8 divided by 3 times 6 times 10 divided by 3, yeah, this might take a while, plus 6d squared equals 16. Now, darn, I don't have enough room. 10 divided by 3. Let's move that to the left a little bit. Whoopsie. Times 10 plus 25 times 8 divided by, darn it, 8 divided by 3. And that took a while. So after simplifying, you can figure out that D is equal to 10 divided by 3, which is also, D is also BD, so we found out that BD is equal to 10 divided by 3. Now, we already figured out AD here and BD over here. So we're done, right? Not really, actually. See, something special about something special that we can get out of this is that triangle whoopsie, oh my god, ADB is an isosceles triangle. This is because AD and BD are the same length. That also means that angle DBA is the same thing as this angle CAAB. So now we know that since angle CAB is alpha, that means that angle CBA is equal to 2 times CAB. There's also another method to prove this equation though, and I'll be showing you that next. The next method uses trigonometry instead. this is using the law of cosine. The cosine of alpha, which is represented in angle CAB, is equal to 3/4, and the cosine of beta, which is angle CBA, is 1/8. Now, using the formula, cosine to alpha is equal to 2, whoopsies. Let's ignore that. Okay. 2 cosine squared alpha minus 1, I'll be able to find out that cosine to alpha equals 1/8. Oh, would you look at that? Cosine alpha to alpha and equals cosine beta. So using this information, we can find out that cosine beta equals 2 alpha. Now, why is that? You might be asking, can't beta equal negative 2 alpha? Well, no, because in cosine, since 2 alpha and beta are both more than 0 and less than 180, because it's in a triangle, that means it's impossible for it to be negative. So that's why beta equals 2 alpha.